Hey everyone, 안녕하세요. So today I am going to show you guys some of my favorite Korean lip tints. I absolutely love Korean makeup. I keep on buying them. So I thought it's high time I show you guys the colors I love because I'm a brown girly and you might wonder that what are the colors that would look good on brown girls that are made in Korea. So I have my favorites over here with me. Not all of them are Korean and I'm not going to swatch those, but I'm going to swatch the few that I absolutely love and they are so beautiful. And one thing about me is that I started getting into Korean culture because of K-beauty, so it is definitely my favorite way to enjoy Korean culture, to indulge myself more into like all things Korean. So I thought of this is the best day and the best time to upload this video. So yeah, and one thing that I really love about Korean lip products, how blurring and lightweight and soft they are, and how they stain your lips. There are a lot of lip tints in this, so I'm pretty sure you're going to find at least one of your favorites from here. And all of these products, I'm going to link them in the description box. You can also find all of these brands on YesStyle. You can use my code Deblina26 for a little bit of discount. And okay, I know you don't want to hear me talk a lot because it's a swatch video, so let's get started with today's video. This video is going to be like one of those like swatch videos where I pose with the product and just show you the swatch and stuff, talking with some music in the background. But I just want to start off with the two products that I'm wearing on my face right now, and I'm pretty sure you're wondering the lip color. So firstly, I'm going to talk about this tint. I'm wearing it on my cheeks. If you can see, it looks so natural and so beautiful even if you're wearing it on bare skin, and this stains so well, like so long lasting. This is from Etude. They were known as Etude House, but I think they're just Etude now, one of my favorite makeup brands ever. I love Etude. So yeah, they are very affordable. This is how it looks like, and it reminds me a lot of Tint. So this is how it looks like. Koreans and Korean beauty in general is famous for their tints, and this is like a water tint. There are different kinds of tints, by the way, jelly tint, water tint, like velvet tint. So this is very like runny and everything, but stains like, it's just amazing. Yeah, the shade is called Strawberry 8, I think 01. Yeah, it's written in Korean in tiny font, so I hope I read it right, but no worries, I will link everything in the description box, so that's your best friend. So do you see how pretty that color is? Oh my god, guys, it looks so beautiful, especially if you're a brown skin tone, Indian skin tone. This is something that you're going to love, and you can see my cheeks, it looks so nice. The other thing that I'm wearing today is from this brand called Peripera. It's one of, again, my favorite makeup brands. Like, I love Peripera. Like, most of my tints are from Peripera, and they are very famous for making very inclusive range of tints. That means they also have tints that are for deeper skin people. So I absolutely love Peripera for that. And Peripera, if you're watching this, if you want a sponsorship or something, like, yeah, I'm always open to work with you guys. I love this so much, and whenever I wear this, I always get asked what color I'm wearing and also what lipstick I'm wearing, because as I said, a lot of Korean lip tints, lipsticks are blurring. So if you have lip lines or lip wrinkles, everything just gets blurred out. Not that having them are bad, but if that's your criteria, then yeah, this does the job. This is the Peripera Mood something lipstick. The packaging, guys, K-beauty packaging, they just know what they're doing. This is so pretty, and it's what I'm wearing on my lips. You can layer this up. The Western product similar to this has to be the MAC Powder Kiss lipsticks. I actually have it with me over here, so I don't know if MAC was trying to replicate the same thing, but it's pretty much the same formula. But Peripera is so much more affordable. That's why I love K-beauty. It's high quality but affordable. So this is what it is. I'm wearing it. You can layer it up. If you want a slight tint, you can just go with one layer. If you want more like what I'm wearing, like a nice opaque like coverage, then you have to go a lot of like 3-4 times. Yeah, so this is the lipstick. This is actually going to look good on a lot of different skin tones, but I love it how it looks on me. So let me just show you. It's like a peachy brown, like I really love it. It's so pretty. So these were the ones I wanted to talk about personally since I'm wearing them today. So they deserve that, you know, honor. But let's get started with the other swatches. I'm pretty sure you're gonna love them. Swatch videos in all these years of beauty blogging, and you know, whenever I do lip swatch videos of other Western products, my lips are like, you know, chapped and dry. But when it comes to Korean products, Korean lip products, you know, it never really feels like that. My lips are always nourished no matter how many lipsticks I'm trying at once. So yeah, K-beauty. Enjoyed the little swatch video that I did. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments, and also like this video. That also, you know, tells me that you like this kind of videos. So yeah, that's about today, and let me know what's your favorite shade. Yeah, and if you have anything that I haven't shown in this video that I must try. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Bye bye.